Hello student, am I audible now? Hello. Okay, so today is the practical, some revision on salt analysis. Okay. A unknown salt is taken. First, a unknown salt is taken in a test tube. What is the first step? The first step is you have to prepare the original solution with distilled water. You add water to this original solution to distilled water. Okay. Shake well. You add original solution to distilled water and shake well to prepare OS. The solid sample is dissolved in distilled water. This is the original sample. Now, you first perform the test for anion. Yeah, I have already told you that mainly three anion, chloride or bromide, that is halide ion, sulfate ion and nitrate ion, are mainly given to your salt. In some cases, few oxalate ion or acetate ion, but for this year, oxalate ion or acetate ion will not be supplied to you. Okay, we take the small amount of original sample, and what we do? First, you add silver nitrate. Test for halide ion. You add silver nitrate solution. You observe no white precipitate is formed. You observe no white precipitate is formed. So, halide ion, chloride, bromide, iodide are absent. Okay. So, given sample absent of halide ion. Now, what is the next step? You take the small amount of sample. Now, you add, what you add? Barium chloride solution. You add barium chloride solution. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. I have to bring barium chloride. You add barium chloride solution. To the small amount of original solution, you add barium chloride. What do you observe? A white precipitate is formed. See this? A white precipitate is formed. Now, to this white precipitate, you add dilute HCl and observe whether the precipitate is dissolved or not. To this white precipitate, you add dilute HCl, but you observe that precipitate is insoluble also in dilute HCl. Okay. Now, in the next, what you take? So, the given sample contains sulfate ion as anion. The given sample contains sulfate ion as anion. Now, for the test for cation, you have to perform first group test, group 1, group 2, group 3 and so on. You take the original solution, first add dilute HCl, dilute group 1 reagent, dilute HCl. What do you observe? No PPT is formed. So, group 1 is absent. Then, through this solution, you add a sodium sulfide flake. You add a sodium sulfide flake and shake. Again, you observe no PPT is observed, because sodium sulfide flake means we pass H2S gas. Here also no PPT is observed. So, group 2 is also absent. Now, reject the solution because the solution contains H2S gas. no need to remove H2S by boiling, but you simply reject the H2S gas. Now you again take the original solution, again take original solution. Now you take small amount of original solution for group 3. What are the group 3 reagent? Ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Wait for 1 minute. Ammonium chloride is not in the desk. Ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. First you add ammonium chloride. First you add ammonium chloride. Then you add ammonium hydroxide. You add ammonium hydroxide. You add ammonium hydroxide. No precipitate is formed. Now for group 5, this is a group 3 absent because ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. For group 5 test, to this you add ammonium carbonate, group 5 reagent, ammonium carbonate. Here also no precipitate is formed. Clear solution, no precipitate is formed. That means group 3 and group 5 are absent. Now group 4 actually H2S is not present in here, and for group 4 you cannot add sodium sulfide because sodium sulfide reacts in acidic medium, but group 4 the reagent is alkaline medium. Now for group 6, magnesium, test for magnesium, group 6, you take small amount of sample. Now what is the group 6 reagent? You first add ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, first you add ammonium chloride, then you add ammonium hydroxide, then you add ammonium hydroxide. First ammonium chloride, then ammonium hydroxide, then you add disodium hydrogen phosphate, Na2HPO4, disodium hydrogen phosphate. Okay, but here also no PPT is formed. That is group 1 to 6, no precipitate. Tale which is remain? Ammonium ion, group 0. So finally you take small amount of sample solution, add sodium hydroxide, then you add Nesseler reagent, confirmatory test for ammonium ion. You first add sodium hydroxide, then you add Nesseler reagent, you see a brown precipitate is formed, which confirm the presence of ammonium ion. So the given sample contain what is the cation? Ammonium ion, or what is anion? Sulfate ion. So salt is ammonium sulfate. Okay. So for now, for writing, what will be the process of writing? You first write the preparation of OS. You first write the preparation of, what is the heading of this writing? Number 1, preparation of OS. Second heading, dry heating test. এটা কি লিখবি? A solid sample is taken in a dry test tube and heat on a Bunsen burner. And number 1 di লিখবি, no sublimation is formed. Asa a sublimation is formed, that is ammonium ion may be present. Dry heating test se no cracking sound is formed, that means barium or lead is absent. So no gas is evolved, that is nitrate is absent. এটা হচ্ছে ড্রাই হিটিং টেস্ট। এখানে লিখবি এ সাবলাইম ইজ ফর্ম, মানে অ্যামোনিয়াম ক্লোরাইড বা অ্যামোনিয়াম সালফেট সাবলাইম সাবস্টেন্স। সেকেন্ড ড্রাই হিটিং টেস্ট। নাম্বার 3 ফ্লেম টেস্ট। The a solid sample add with concentrated HCl to make a paste. Concentrated HCl এর সঙ্গে একটা পেস্ট তৈরি করা হলো। This paste is taken in the loop of the platinum wire and hold over Bunsen flame. No characteristic flame is observed. No characteristic flame is observed. So calcium, barium, strontium, copper are absent. Okay. Number 4, dilute sulfuric acid test. Dilute H2SO4 test. To the given sample, so to the original solution of sample solution, dilute sulfuric acid is added. এটা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করলাম। অবজারভেশনে নো গ্যাস ইজ ইভলভ, সো কার্বনেট, বাইকার্বনেট, সালফাইড আর অ্যাবসেন্ট। এটা হচ্ছে ডাইলিউট সালফুরিক অ্যাসিড টেস্ট। নাম্বার 5, কনসেন্ট্রেটেড H2SO4 test. To the solid sample add concentrated sulfuric acid few drops. Here also you write observation no gas is evolved, that is chloride or nitrate is chloride, bromide, nitrate may be absent. So finally number 6, weight test for anion. Weight test for anion. এখানে 3টে কলাম করবি, experiment, observation, inference. In the experiment column you write take 1 cc OS plus 1 cc silver nitrate solution. Observation no white PPT is formed. Inference halide ion is absent. Okay. Experiment number 2, take 1 cc OS, take 1 cc barium chloride solution. Observation a white PPT is formed which is insoluble in mineral acid. Inference sulfate ion is confirmed. Sulfate ion is confirmed. White precipitate which is insoluble in mineral acid. Okay. Now again experiment 1 cc OS plus 1 cc freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, then add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly. No brown ring is formed, nitrate is absent. So in the weight test for anion you must write at least 3 tests. First one test for halide ion with silver nitrate, second one test for sulfate ion with barium chloride, and third one test for nitrate ion, that is brown ring test. যেটা রেসপন্স করবে সেটা পজিটিভ, বাকি কোনো নেগেটিভ। ওকে। অ্যান্ড লাস্ট হচ্ছে 7 নাম্বার সিস্টেমেটিক গ্রুপ অ্যানালিসিস। সিস্টেমেটিক গ্রুপ analysis for cation. What you write here, you make the 3 column experiment, observation and inference. In the first column you write 1 cc OS, মানে experiment column you write 1 cc OS plus 1 cc dilute HCl, no PPT, group 1 absent. Next experiment number 2, through this solution, that is OS plus HCl, pass H2S gas, no PPT, group 2 absent. Again you write 1 cc OS plus 1 cc ammonium chloride, few drops ammonium hydroxide, no PPT, group 3 absent. Through this solution pass H2S gas, no PPT, group 4 absent. Reject the solution, take fresh 1 cc OS, add ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and ammonium carbonate, no PPT, group 5 absent. Reject the solution, again take 1 cc OS plus ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, then add disodium hydrogen phosphate, no PPT, group 6 absent. Finally you write the test for group 0, 1 cc OS plus 1 cc NaOH plus Nessler reagent, a brown precipitate is formed, ammonium ion is confirmed. আর একটা লিখবি 1 cc OS plus 1 cc copper sulfate solution, a pale blue precipitate is formed which dissolve in excess copper sulfate to give a deep blue solution, অ্যামোনিয়াম আয়ন ইজ কনফার্ম। ঠিক আছে, এইভাবে ক্যাটায়নটা লিখতে হবে সমস্ত। নাও ফাইনালি ইউ রাইট, সো দ্য গিভেন স্যাম্পল কন্টেন্ট দ্য ক্যাটায়ন বলে কি লিখবি অ্যামোনিয়াম আয়ন, অ্যান্ড অ্যানায়ন হচ্ছে সালফেট আয়ন, তো সল্ট ইজ অ্যামোনিয়াম সালফেট। ওকে, হ্যালো স্টুডেন্ট, আন্ডারস্টুড? হ্যালো, ইয়েস অর নো? Okay, so this is one test. This is one test. Now write for the second test. Practical copy, you write at least 4 or 5 unknown salt. 4 or 5 unknown salt and the test for all known salt. Now another salt analysis. So today there will be I will show you 2 unknown salt analysis. In the next Friday again the repetition of redox titration. This is very important, redox titration, because you have to perform this in final examination. The second salt, I have taken another salt. Take OS. Take OS. First we take solid sample, dissolve in distilled water. The solid sample is dissolved in distilled water. Okay, 2 ppr original solution. The same process, the process is very easy to identify the cation and anion present in the salt. You dissolve in distilled water. Okay, now you take small amount of solid OS in another test tube. What you add? First you add ammonium chloride. You add ammonium chloride. Sorry, ammonium, silver nitrate, very sorry, silver nitrate. Test for anion. What you observe? No white PPT. So halide ion is absent. Halide ion is absent. That is chloride, bromide, iodide ion is not present in the salt. You again take the original solution. You again take original solution. What you add? Freshly prepared ferrous nitrate test আমি করে দেখাচ্ছি। Freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. You have to prepare ferrous sulfate, because if it kept in lab, it will convert it into ferric ion. Freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. Okay. Now to the original solution, you add freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. Okay. Now in the another test tube, you take concentrated sulfuric acid. Wait for 1 minute, I have to bring concentrated sulfuric acid. Achha, to the this is the sample plus ferrous sulfate. You add concentrated sulfuric acid in this way, slowly from the walls of the test tube, slowly from the walls of the test tube, and you find no ring is formed, no brown ring is formed. Okay, since no brown ring is formed, that means nitrate ion is absent. Okay, you reject the solution. Nitrate ion is absent, halide ion is absent. Again you take 1 cc fresh OS. Now you add barium chloride solution. Now you add barium chloride solution. Okay, barium chloride. Where is the barium chloride? Barium chloride solution. Barium chloride solution. You observe a white precipitate is formed. That is, this sample also contain the sulfate ion. A white precipitate is formed, so it is sulfate ion. So this is the test for anion. I perform the test for anion. First you add silver nitrate solution, no white PPT, so halide ion is absent. Then you add freshly prepared ferrous sulfate and concentrated sulfuric acid, no brown ring is formed, so nitrate ion is absent. Then you add barium chloride, a white precipitate insoluble in mineral acid, dilute acid HCl যেটা আগে দেখালাম, no white, the precipitate is not dissolved, so sulfate ion is confirmed. Okay, now for test for cation you have to perform the group test. What are the group tests? Group 1, you take small amount of sample solution. Now add dilute HCl. Add dilute HCl. This is dilute HCl. What do you observe? No PPT. That is group 1 is absent. Group 2 or 4 আমি দেখাচ্ছি না, because since H2S is not present, I have not taken any 2 or 4 salt. Okay, so this is group 1 absent. Now for group 3, what is the group reagent? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. You take small amount of sample. Now you add ammonium chloride. You must remember all the group reagent, otherwise you cannot perform the test. And external examiner may also ask the viva the group reagent and chemical reaction. Then you add ammonium hydroxide. First you add ammonium chloride, then you add ammonium hydroxide, small amount. No precipitate is formed. That is group 3 absent. Now for group 5, through this solution you add ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate, group 5 reagent. Here also you observe no PPT. Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium carbonate, no PPT. That means group 5 is also absent. Now you perform the group 6 test. What is the group 6 test? You take the original solution, add ammonium chloride, then you add ammonium hydroxide, then you add ammonium hydroxide, then you add disodium hydrogen phosphate, group 6 reagent, disodium hydrogen phosphate. You observe a white precipitate is formed. A white precipitate is formed. The white precipitate due to formation of magnesium phosphate. So group 6 is present and magnesium ion is confirmed. This is the conformity test for magnesium ion. But this test, that is original solution ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and Na2HPO4 disodium hydrogen phosphate or ammonium phosphate, a white precipitate, this confirm the group 6, also confirm the presence of magnesium ion. Okay, so the given sample contain the cation হচ্ছে magnesium ion আর anion হচ্ছে sulfate ion. Cation হচ্ছে কি বললাম magnesium ion and anion হচ্ছে sulfate ion. So what will be the writing process will be the same. You first write the preparation of OS. Preparation of OS হচ্ছে you write the physical appearance of OS. What you write? The given salt is white crystalline salt. White crystalline salt. Then you write the preparation of OS. The given salt is soluble in distilled water. Okay. Then you write the dry heating test. A solid sample is taken. Dry heating test, you must take the solid sample. A solid sample is taken in a dry test tube and heat in a Bunsen burner. What do you observe? No cracking sound is observed, no gas is evolved or no sublime is formed. So you can write the lead ion, barium ion, ammonium ion, this may be absent. Okay. Now you write the flame test. They make a paste of solid sample with concentrated HCl. take it on a loop of platinum wire and held over Bunsen burner. No characteristic color of the flame is observed. That means barium ion, calcium ion, strontium ion, copper ion may be absent. Okay. Now you first dilute sulfuric acid test. Here also the same. The original solution is taken in a test tube at dilute hydrochloric acid. No gas is evolved, that is carbonate, sulfide or sulfide may be absent. Next, concentrated sulfuric acid test. Take 1 cc, take a dry test tube and solid sample and add 1 or 2 drops concentrated H2SO4. No characteristic color of gas or characteristic odor of gas is evolved. So the chloride ion or bromide ion or nitrate ion is absent. Okay. Now you write the weight test for anion. You make the 3 systematic column: experiment, observation, inference. In the experiment column you write 1 cc OS plus 1 cc silver nitrate solution. No white precipitate is formed. That means halide ion, chloride, bromide, iodide ion is absent. Next, 1 cc OS plus 1 cc freshly prepared ferrous sulfate, then add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly from the walls of the test tube. No brown ring is formed, nitrate ion is absent. And finally, 1 cc OS plus 1 cc barium chloride solution. A white PPT is formed. With adding barium chloride, a white precipitate is formed and the PPT is insoluble in all mineral acid. Sulfate ion is confirmed. So this is the test for anion, weight test for anion, but conformity test for anion. The sulfate ion, you must write the equation in the inference. The SO4 2 minus plus Ba2 plus give BaSO4. You add barium chloride, তাহলে BaCl2 plus SO4 2 minus give কি হবে তোর, বা MSO4 লিখলি, তাহলে কি হবে তোর BaSO4 plus MCl, এর মতো ইকুয়েশনটা লিখে দিতে হবে। Now systematic group analysis. We first take 1 cc OS, add dilute HCl, no PPT, group 1 absent. Through this solution pass H2S gas, no PPT, group 2 absent. Reject the solution, take fresh 1 cc OS, this add ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, no PPT, group 3 absent. Again you pass H2S through this solution, no PPT, group 4 absent. Then you write reject the solution, take 1 cc OS, 1 cc ammonium chloride, few drops ammonium hydroxide, then add 1 cc ammonium carbonate solution, NH4 2CO3, no PPT, group 5 absent. And last one, take 1 cc OS, 1 cc ammonium chloride, few drops ammonium hydroxide, then add Na2HPO4 disodium hydrogen phosphate. A white PPT is formed. You write group 6 is present, তার নিচে লিখবি Mg2 plus ion is confirmed, magnesium ion is confirmed. So the given sample contain the cation Mg2 plus anion SO4 2 minus. So composition of the salt is MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. So if you write in this systematic way, then you will get the full marks, otherwise the marks will be deducted. What you perform in the practical exam is not the essential for obtaining marks. What you write in the answer script, that determine your marks. Okay. Hello student, understood? Hello. Hello student, understood? Yes or no? Okay. So these two salt, I will perform these two salt. One was ammonium sulfate, another was magnesium sulfate. In the next class, that is next Friday, I will perform again the salt and redox titration. Redox titration, mainly the titration between oxalic acid and KMNO4 or more salt and KMNO4. Okay. You must write in the practical copy at least 4 or 5 unknown salt analysis and submit within 27 January. Okay.